Drive was our first real tangible example of a cross-departmental project that was led by the business and the IT and achieved greater results because of that.
So it's much less of a tell us what you want and let us build you something, and much more of a let's figure out together what's the right thing to build. It really let us pick and choose the good parts that IT is able to bring to a project, some of the governance models and support, without doing some of the things that just create a bottleneck and a slowdown that wouldn't have been conducive to this kind of a rollout.
The relationship between IT is so much better than what it was before. Everyone has kind of realized that it's not this zero-sum game and that we don't have to be pushing up against each other and battling to see who does what.
So the business users are focusing on building reports and building them rapidly, failing fast, gaining insights about their data. And IT is focused on really building that data infrastructure for us. Focus on providing us the tools that we need to create the visualizations.
It made it so easy for me because there was a long list of sort of pre-packaged steps that we could follow. It laid out a good portion of the project plan, and it really made it easy for us to dialogue with the business. There are things we learned in this Drive project that we'll be able to apply for years on future IT projects unrelated to Tableau. IT is not in the way of the progress anymore. We're a partner. It's like, well, what do you want to do, and then how do we help you do it?
The way we look at Drive is it's Tableau's way of helping business users that aren't necessarily experts in change management and influencing change in an organization do that. And then what we're doing right now is we're in the process of rolling out Tableau to our entire internal organization for an end goal of 500 users. So we really had to have an implementation model that gave value early and often instead of radio silence and then all the value at the end.
I found it to be a very iterative process to help reinforce adoption throughout the organization. You know, we could prototype, you know, and get small wins along the way.
We're doing the prototyping, and we get real business value as we're still building the project also.
It just helped us all build confidence in where we were going. As those small wins start to pile up on each other, the groundswell of support across the whole company gets bigger and broader.
It appeared to give us the model to allow sustainable support for all of the end users and help guide them through the process of using Tableau and to be there for them as they need help.
But it wasn't just a handoff, it was a handoff and support.
The things that Tableau are putting out and the tools that you are making available to us really makes us look like rock stars within our company, and it's something that definitely wouldn't have been possible with any other platform we looked at.